Welcome back, my friends. I'm Bryan Diehl with Remax First right here in Port Ludlow, Washington, and I've got a treat for you today. A brand new trail that's been added to the Ludlow Falls Loop. It's the Ludlow Creek Trail. If you've got an hour, you owe it to yourself to come on and play in our backyard. The access to this trail is the same as the access to Ludlow Falls, right in the dead center of town. What a great place to get a selfie. Now enjoy these photos, and I hope they inspire you to come out to Port Ludlow and see why we live here. Hope to see you at the falls. Enjoy. I'm Bryan Diehl with Remax First right here in Port Ludlow. As always, thanks for watching.